The protesters, they're saying that the stone pelting that happened was a response to the lathi charge that was done by the police earlier. These are live visuals coming in from Badlapur railway station. Protesters have now blocked the railway track demanding justice. Arunil continues to be with us. Arunil, massive protest. This has taken shape of a big, massive protest now that is unfolding in Badlapur with many of them chanting Phansi Phansi, demanding capital punishment for the accused.
You were discussing about how kids are also not safe now. These are kindergarten students, 2 girls, and what the parents basically are saying that these are contractual workers. There were no CCTV cameras in this prominent school as well. Why weren't CCTV cameras placed? Now the school basically is giving out an apology saying that we will take cognizance to the demands of the aggrieved parents and put in CCTV cameras. Also, the parents are asking some stern questions against the third party which hires these contractual workers, saying that there is no accountability in this case because the workers are a contract.
It's not that they have just come out and this has been going. In fact, we are showing you the exclusive visuals, and here one can see how they have been still protesting. In fact, we are taking you through the visuals where the parents are still there with the placards, as you were mentioning. In fact, what we also understand is some of the parents are here. We'll just try to connect to them. Yes, they are staging protests. आप इस protest का हिस्सा हैं सर?
हाँ, हिस्सा हूँ।
क्या कुछ डिमांड है सर?
उसको फांसी होना मांगता है।
फांसी होना चाहिए।
फांसी होना चाहिए।
कितने लोग यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं?
आप गिन नहीं सकते, इतनी पब्लिक है यहाँ पे। फांसी होनी ही मांगती है।
सरकार से क्या कुछ डिमांड है?
क्या बोले?
सरकार से क्या?
कुछ नहीं है। सरकार के फांसी होनी मांगती है उसको। बस हमारा यही कहना है।
Well, here, Uday, if we can just go there. There are several people, those who have come here. We'll just talk to some of them that what are their demands. Sir, if you can just please move a bit. Sir, if you can just please move a bit. Sir, please, you can, आप एक मिनट please sir side आ जाइए. While we see that people are holding such kind of placards when it comes to that, when we are talking about, they are asking for the answers, they are asking for the accountability here, and they are also mentioning the fact. Just talk to them. Sir, क्या कुछ डिमांड है आपकी?
फांसी मिलना चाहिए उसको, बाकी कुछ नहीं। जो कुछ हुआ है वो पब्लिक के, या तो आप फांसी दो या पब्लिक के हवाले कर दो, पब्लिक देख लेगी उसका।
कितने देर से आप यहाँ पर खड़े हैं?
मुझे 2-2.5 घंटे के ऊपर हो गया, मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे। पुलिस के ऊपर पत्थर फेंका भी हो गया है, वो लोग ने गलत किया, पब्लिक के ऊपर ये कर रहे हैं। एक तो उसको पब्लिक के हवाले दो, नहीं तो फांसी दो, कुछ ना कुछ उसका सोल्यूशन निकालो, यही है।
क्या आप एक पेरेंट हैं, आप पिता हैं, आप कम्यूटर हैं?
जी, मैं पेरेंट्स हूँ, मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, पर फिर भी उसको ये सजा होनी चाहिए। जो सरकार ने सुरक्षित बहन योजना निकाली है उसके जगह नहीं, 1,500 जो लाड़की बहन योजना निकाली है उसके जगह सुरक्षित बहन योजना निकाली।
We are also now joined by Mr. Sunil Rao. Thank you very much for joining us. Sunil Rao जी, इतना बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट वहां पर हो रहा है, पेरेंट्स जो हैं मांग कर रहे हैं कि फांसी दी जानी चाहिए। कई सारे पेरेंट्स ये भी कह रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट इसमें क्या कर रही है, फास्ट ट्रैक होना चाहिए, और बीजेपी के लीडर्स भी अब कह रहे हैं कि फास्ट ट्रैक होना चाहिए। किरीट सोमैया से थोड़ी देर पहले हमने बात की थी।
देखो, ये सरकार का दहशत अभी रही नहीं। ये सरकार अपने ही मस्ती में है, अपने ही पॉलिटिक्स में खेल रही है, और ऐसे अत्याचार महाराष्ट्र में बार बार हो रहे हैं, लेकिन सरकार को उसका कुछ पड़ी नहीं है। आज जो घटना बदलापुर में घटी है वो अत्यंत दुर्दैवी घटना है, और हमारा कहना यही है कि ऐसी घटना बार बार होती है। इसका मतलब यही है कि होम मिनिस्टर और सीएम का दहशत रही नहीं। जिस थाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सीएम रहते हैं, मुख्यमंत्री रहते हैं, उनके एरिया में, उनके बाग में ये सब हो रहा है। हमारी मांग यही है कि ये सब फास्ट ट्रैक पे चलना चाहिए। 10 दिन के अंदर इसको, जो दोषी होगा उसको सजा मिलनी चाहिए और इमीडिएट एक्शन होना चाहिए। लेकिन लेकिन ये होगा नहीं, क्योंकि ये सरकार को जनता की कुछ पड़ी नहीं है। 1500 रुपया बहनों को दिया जाता है और उनको खुश रखने की कोशिश किया जाए, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र की बहना स्वाभिमानी है, वो 1500 रुपये भी नहीं। तो हमारी उनकी सुरक्षा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सुरक्षा के लिए ये सरकार कुछ नहीं कर रही है।
लेकिन सुनील राव जी, जानकारी ये मिल रही है कि मुख्यमंत्री ने ये कहा है कि फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में इस केस को ट्राई किया, हियरिंग होगा या थ्रू फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट ये पूरा मामला चलेगा। तो आपको लग रहा है कहीं भरोसा, कहीं आश्वासन मिल रहा है सरकार से?
मुख्यमंत्री बोलते हैं लेकिन करते नहीं, समझे। मुख्यमंत्री के एकनाथ शिंदे के हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं है। ये जो सरकार चला रही है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी चला रही है, और न्याय अभी मिलना बहुत देश के ये महाराष्ट्र में बहुत मुश्किल हुआ है।
तो फिर न्याय की मांग आप किससे कर रहे हैं? अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि मुख्यमंत्री के हाथ में कुछ है नहीं, तो फिर महाराष्ट्र में किससे मांग हो रही है?
हमारी यही है कि जिसने ये अत्याचार किया है उसको 10 दिन के अंदर कोर्ट के अंदर रिजल्ट लगना चाहिए। 10 दिन के अंदर उनके जो भी सजा, जो भी होगा गुना, उस गुने का उसको सजा 10 दिन के अंदर मिलनी चाहिए। ये हमारी मांग है।
All right, Mr. Sunil Raut, thank you very much for speaking to us. That was UBT Sena leader Sunil Raut leveling allegations against the government, saying that the government and especially the Chief Minister does not care about the people of Maharashtra. Let's also cut live to the ground reports and the reactions that we're getting.
The Mumbai police, the Maharashtra Suraksha Bal, everybody is gathered out here, and all they want is they are doing the crowd management here, but nothing seems to be solving, as we see that the people have gathered very much large in numbers. Back to you.
They're at Badlapur railway station blocking the track, demanding justice for the minor victims, also demanding capital punishment for the accused. In fact, you can see a massive deployment of the police officials there trying to convince the protesters to vacate, to leave the protest site so that they can clear the railway track. But the protesters are in no mood to back off. They want immediate action. They want swift action to be taken, and many of them, in fact, demanding a capital punishment now for the accused. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister has also taken a serious note of the incident, of the crime that has been reported, and the other developments surrounding the report of sexually abusing two nursery kids, two minors. And the Chief Minister is giving assurances that the accused will be tried in fast-track court, has also warned that action will be taken against the management of the institution if there is an incident of abuse against girls. Rakesh is joining us live on the broadcast now. Rakesh, protesters are only growing in numbers, demanding capital punishment for the accused, and the police so far has not been able to convince them to vacate.
Yes, that's right, Swati. I'm here at the Badlapur station, and you can see that the crowd is only increasing here. And right now, the GRP Commissioner, Mr. Ravindra Shishwe, is here, who is trying to initiate the dialogue with the protesters. He's trying to speak to them using a mini loudspeaker, but people are only shouting and chanting about the capital punishment. They are asking for Fasi for the accused, and they are saying that we want justice. So you can see that he's trying to initiate, trying to convince the protesters to vacate this track so that the railway services can be restored. Remember, the railway services are affected since 10 o'clock in the morning. It's almost 4 hours right now, and the services remain affected. In fact, 5 long-distance trains have been diverted, but in this case, the accused is already arrested. The government has already assured that this will be taken in a fast-track court. There is a special public prosecutor will be nominated for, will be kept for this case. But in spite of that, people are angry that why the case was not registered in the initial hours when the complaint was lodged, why it took 12 hours to register the FIR. But only after that, now the people waited for almost a week, and now they decided to protest here on the tracks. And you can see that the number is only increasing here. Earlier, we saw police using mild pressure and using some lathi charge to disperse the crowd, but that actually did not work out, and that is why now police is trying to contact to establish the contact and communication with the protesters, and that exercise is currently going on. But whether it is men, women, senior citizens, all are here on the tracks, and they are quite agitated. When we also were in middle of the crowd, we tried to speak to them. They were very angry and upset with the administration. Swati, back to you.
There are multiple lapses that have come to fore on part of the school authorities as well. Why was there no female staff at the girls' toilet, girls' washroom?
Exactly, that is the question being raised by these protesters, that why the children could left unattended while going to the washroom. In fact, there were 2 attendants on duty that day. Where were they, and why didn't they take the students to the washroom? So because of the same, the school management has suspended the principal, 1 class teacher and 2 attendants. But that is not sufficient. That is what these protesters are think, that these suspensions are not sufficient. We want capital punishment for the accused, and we want some assurance from the school management that such incident will not be repeated again. Remember, these were only 4 years minor students who were sent to school, and the first incident reportedly happened on 30th May, and on the next day when the student denied to go to the school, the parents were shocked. She was sent for the medical examination, and only after the medical examination this entire thing came into light that such incidents has taken place. Only after that the complaint was registered with the school management and the local police. But shockingly, after receiving the complaint, the police did not act upon the complaint for the long 12 hours, and that is why these agitators are currently... See, I can see that the people have come here with the water bottles. They have got some lunch, snacks also. It seems that they are not going to go from here very soon. It seems they are planning to stay here for a longer time.